Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have 7 to the power of x minus 6 to the power of x is equals to 13, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. So now we move toward the solution of this problem. So here first we need to divide both of the sides by 6 to the power of x. So when we divide each of these terms by 6 to the power of x, so it will be written as 7 to the power of x divided by 6 to the power of x minus 6 to the power of x divided by 6 to the power of x equals to 13 divided by 6 to the power of x. Okay, here we just divide both of the sides by 6 to the power of x. So this term and this term are gone, and here in the first term we apply the nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m is equals to a divided by b, and its whole power is m. So according to this, we need to combine the exponent of both of these two terms, and after combination of these terms it will be written as 7 over 6 to the power of x minus 1 is equals to 13 divided by 6 to the power of x. So here first we need to focus on 7 over 6 to the power of x. So here we need a little bit discussion on 7 over 6 and its whole power x. Okay, so here you see that when over the value of x is increased, then this function is becomes increasing function. Okay, it means that here we just directly say about that this function is increasing function whenever our x becomes increasing. Okay, so when our x is increasing, then this whole function becomes increasing. Okay, so here you see that when we choose this increasing, the whole function becomes increasing function. And also you know about that when we subtract 1 from increasing function, then it will remains increasing function. It means that the left hand side of this equation will becomes increasing function. Okay, we can write it here. Our left hand side becomes increasing function. And now here in the same pattern we need a little bit discussion into the right hand side, and our right hand side is 13 divided by 6 to the power of x. So here again you see that when we just choose x is increasing. Okay, when here you see that when x is increasing function, then this whole function will becomes decreasing. Okay, and here we can just write that 13 over 6 to the power of x becomes decreasing function. Okay, so you see that 13 divided by 6 to the power of x becomes decreasing function, or in other words we say that our right hand side will becomes decreasing function. So here we finally conclude about that our left hand side is increasing and right hand side is decreasing function. So if I can just explain this by graphically, you see here the graph of increasing and decreasing functions will be looks like in this form. So this is the graph of increasing function, and this type of graph be the decreasing function. Okay, so it means that if one side is increasing and other side is decreasing, it means that both of the sides are intersect at only one point. So this point is called the solution of the given equation. So here we need to find that point. So in order to find this point, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is 7 to the power of x minus 6 to the power of x is equals to 13. This is our given question statement, and here we just find the value of x by inspection. So here when we choose x is equals to 1, then you see that the behavior of this equation, this will becomes 7 minus 6 is equals to 13 or not. So 7 minus 6 becomes 1 is equals to 13. Okay, and here you see that 1 is not equals to 13 in generally. So here we can just say that it is not possible case. It is not possible that 1 is equals to 13. And when we choose x is equals to 2, then you see that this will becomes 7 square minus 6 square is equals to 13 or not. So 7 square becomes 49, 6 square becomes 36 is equals to 13, and here you clearly see that 13 is equals to 13. So this shows that the value of x is equals to 2 is satisfied our given question statement, and we finally conclude about that this point be the point where x is equals to 2. Okay, so here we conclude about that the solution set of this question is x is equals to 2. Okay, so x is equals to 2 be the only one solution of the given equation. And this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.